how to get better sound while listening to music on Spotify. That's what I'm going to show you today. There's actually a feature within the Spotify app that is turned on by default, and it may be compressing the audio and giving you a less dynamic range when listening to music. So to turn that off, what we want to do is tap on the settings icon in the upper right hand corner, and then we want to go down to where it says playback, so we can tap into playback. And then within playback, the feature that we're looking for is this enable audio normalization. So by default, it should be turned on. We're going to go ahead and turn it off. And I don't want to get any, copyright strikes or something like that, so I won't play any music right now. However, turn it off and then go listen to a song and see if you notice the difference. You should be hearing more dynamic range within the songs that you're listening to. So the louder parts will kind of stand out, the quieter parts will be quieter, and in my opinion, it just makes it sound the way that the music was meant to be listened to. So let me know in the comments down below how it worked out for you, and I will see you next time.